Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to turn off location on Instagram. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. Then once you open the settings, you should go and scroll down, find the apps, then go to manage apps. Then I want you to search for Instagram application. We're going to turn the location off. So now in order to do so, I'm just waiting for the loading. I will have to scroll down till I get the Instagram application. It is in the letter I, and here we have it. It is 600 megabytes. Go to app permissions, and after that, go to location and make sure that you have this option do not allow or turn it off. Once you're all done, go back, and this is method number one. Another method that you can actually do to go back, go and open your Instagram application. You can do it either from the phone settings or from Instagram application itself. Now go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side, then go and click on the hamburger icon on the top right side. Once you go in there, you should now scroll down until you get to this section right here, your app and media. Go and click on device and permissions, then go and click on location services and make sure that you have this option turn it off. So these are the two methods, and I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.